The Arizona month-to-month rental agreement is a flexible and unique contract between landlords and tenants that does not have a definite end date. It remains active until either party gives notice to terminate the lease. This contract allows both parties to fulfill their responsibilities and rights under the Arizona landlord-tenant law. It also outlines their duties, including when to pay rent or the security deposit and how to keep the premises in excellent condition. Hi everyone, I'm your host, Andrew Chung, and in this video, we're going to explore the ins and outs of the Arizona month-to-month rental agreement. So if you're a landlord or tenant looking for insights about this topic, you're in the right place. To ensure this agreement is legally binding and comprehensive, there are a few crucial disclosures landlords must include. First, you need to disclose all non-refundable fees. Next, the agreement must include educational material on how to handle and prevent bed bugs. Don't forget to disclose the Arizona Residential Landlord and Tenant Act, available on the Department of Housing website. If your property was built before 1978, you're legally required to inform tenants about the possible presence of lead-based paint. A move-in, move-out condition checklist is also an important inclusion, as this protects both landlords and tenants during the move-in and move-out process. Landlords can cross-check it when the tenancy ends. If your property has a pool, you'll need to include a pool safety notice detailing the tenant's responsibilities. In addition, the agreement should also specify the names and addresses of the property owner and manager, and tenants must be informed about this before the tenancy begins. Other important considerations include any applicable taxes or utility charges. For instance, if there's a change in the transaction privilege tax for the unit, or if you'll charge separate fees for waste, wastewater, water, solid waste removal, and electricity services, these must be specified. In Arizona, the law stipulates that a minimum 30 days notice is required to terminate a month-to-month lease. This applies to both landlords and tenants. That's the minimum termination notice in the state. If a tenant overstays after the termination notice period, landlords can initiate an eviction process by filing a complaint with the county court. At DoorLoop, we understand how complex creating a rental agreement can be. That's why we offer free forms to help streamline the process. Now, if you want to customize your own month-to-month rental agreement, there's a paid service that's worth trying. For the free forms or the paid service forms, click on the link in the description below. Finally, here are some frequently asked questions. Number 1 is, should I provide a notice to increase rent in Arizona? The answer is yes. Remember to give 30 days notice to increase rent in Arizona. Question number 2 is, what are the notice delivery requirements? In Arizona, the notice must be delivered in person or through registered or certified mail, depending on your preference. Question number 3 is, how long does the eviction process take in Arizona? If you find yourself in a situation where eviction is necessary, bear in mind that the process can take between 1 and 6 weeks. Well, that's it for this video. If you want more real estate content for your business, make sure you check out our YouTube channel for more DoorLoop videos, such as finding the most useful property management resources and a guide to property management insurance for your business. Remember to like this video, share it, and of course, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.